Alright, what's up, Tampa? We in downtown with it, Mac family. My boy Bit Tweezy just pulled up on me. I gotta show the support. My boy had to come out here. To the homeless? No cap, we out here. We're finna give out a few sandwiches, some chips, some water to the homeless people, you know. We got a hurricane coming, guys. It's coming. Give it up, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Water, yeah.
I've been crying for water. You want ham or turkey?
I do,
turkey or ham?
I do,
ham.
I think that one.
Okay, that's turkey.
All of it good. Okay. That's grace of God. Y'all got extra water.
Extra water? Turkey. Ham?
Yeah, y'all want?
Yeah, I have that.
Yeah, I think I'm pretty sure.
This turkey. You want something with mayo? Don't have the mayo.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Alright. Oh, we doing that. Let's go, man. First bag already down. Giving back, feeling good to the people. You say they were? They under the bridge?
We'll make our way.
We'll walk down there. We gotta get a ladies on first. How y'all doing? Yeah, y'all ladies looking beautiful today. We are giving out donations today. It's a hurricane coming, so I wanted to come out. Me and my friends want to come out here and give y'all guys a little snack.
Cool, thank you.
No problem.
Bless it.
How you doing, sir? Yeah, answer a question for us. What's 1 plus 1?
What's it?
1 plus 1?
2.
All right, there you go. Congratulations.
Yes, be safe, man.
Oh, he said they're coming over. That way. A1 production, not production. A1 opportunity. Shout out to Miss Angie. Yeah, actually, a quick question real quick.
Yes, sir.
What's 1 plus 1?
2.
Okay. There you go.
Silly question, but a good one.
Hey, that's turkey, though.
You're educated.
Yes, sir.
Oh, blessed day. You have a blessed day, bro.
You too, man. Getting real, chop. Only got one more in this bag and only got one more in the car. Yes, sir. Get back to y'all community, man. I challenge 5 new content creators. I challenge y'all to this. Get back to y'all community, man. Yes, sir. This is YouTuber and stuff. I'm trying to get back to the community right now. I'm on my second video.
She took everything.
We got turkey in hand though.
What's your name, brother?
I go by Cash.
Cash?
Yeah, Cash. Yeah. There's some turkey in there, bro. She said, bro, vegan. I'll probably be blowing her. Let's keep it up. Do I have an H or a T on that? With the majority, I mean the minority, not the majority, the minority.
Oh no, the majority to hit the minority. Yes, sir.
Respect.
Yes, sir.
Y'all stay blessed, man.
Hey, y'all too, boys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, like, comment, and share it yet? Do that right now. Do it. You're not stopping till you do it. You're not going to the next scene till you do it. And we're in the middle of the street walking. Just started.
Man, we downtown right now, man. Give it back. You hear me? Come get it. Now I'm turning.
How we going? It's a hurricane coming down, so it's possible.
I know. Folks are starting today.
Yep, today. God bless.
If y'all haven't already, man, hit that sub button, man.
Probably in the next hour or two. It's in close to the Winston Chopper area right now. It's raining heavy on that side. But we're giving our little sandwiches and things.
Thank you. God bless. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yes, appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Go
Yeah,
ahead. Take it.
What's up?
God bless you. You too.
That's the chest in the water. Look like we're on our last sandwich chat. And we got some chips and water. And I have about $3 in my pocket, so we're gonna find one more person to give the last two items to, and the $3 on my pocket. Unfortunately, I didn't have anything else more to give, but it's something, you know. We're gonna scope around. We're gonna see if somebody like really need this. We're not just gonna give it to anybody. We're gonna find someone with it. I ain't even think I left the $3 in my car. Fresh dope.
I'm coming back with more. Started with 3 bags.
I'll come out with 10 next time. Good time?
Yeah. Go dummy, Kyle.
I get for poverty, and I live inside of me. Mama read 3 prodigy. My day goes on side of me. You know they gon' slap me. Ain't no telling who's slopping me. Them demons inside of me. Got it up out of me, yeah. Almost gave my life away, almost gave my life away. Praying for them better days, I was hoping for them better days. Now I'm saying illustrate, now I'm saying illustrate. Jump in the picture, watch it get more real. I ain't talking about no dealer. Now I'm living gold status, I know they envy me. I said I'm a soul snatcher, I take your energy. Your girl told me you like it, I know your history. Yeah, say she for the streets, that's why you left for the mystery. Better call her Scooby-Doo the way she left it goes. Pray I come home, oh mama, don't forget to cook the roast. Ain't really go to class, I was out doing the most. Just wanna go to France so I can eat they toast. I pray my father come home so we can get close. He see the real in me, just need him to put it in motion. Just tryna drive a little boldly, y'all let me
Yes,
put
man.
it in
God bless
motion. When I was down bad, I talked to my dad, he gave me the pocket from poverty. And that live inside of me. My mom raised me prodigy. My dad goes on side of me. You know they gon' slap me. Ain't no telling who's slapping me. Them demons inside of me. Got it up out of me. Yeah.
Well, that's it, Mac fam. As you can see, third bag.
We will be back with another video.
Okay. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment,